we'll guide you through how to flip image in Snapseed. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, locate the Snapseed application on your phone by browsing your home screen or app drawer until you find its icon. Next, click on the icon to open Snapseed and wait for the app to load completely. After the application opens, tap the Add Photo button to begin a new editing project. Select the photo you want to edit from your device gallery. Then wait until the image finishes loading inside the app. Once everything is loaded, tap the Tools button to display more editing options. Look through the available tools until you find the Crop option. Tap the Crop option to open its editing controls. After entering the Crop feature, find the Flip button at the bottom of the screen. Click the Flip button to flip the image into the desired direction. While using this feature, you can also rotate the image or adjust its angle to improve the overall composition and alignment. If something looks incorrect or you make a mistake, simply tap the Undo button at the top of the screen to restore the previous change. Continue adjusting your image until you are satisfied with its appearance. Take your time to make sure the framing, orientation, and angle match your preference before finishing the edit. Once everything is complete, press the checkmark button to apply the changes and view the updated result. Carefully review the edited photo to ensure it looks the way you intended. If you notice anything that still needs improvement, you can repeat the adjustment process before saving. When you are happy with the final image, go to the Export section. Here, you can choose how you want to save your work. You may save the version inside the Snapseed gallery, save a separate copy that keeps the original photo unchanged, or export the image directly to your device gallery with permanent changes applied.